We have some breaking news to tell you about, and what may amount to a Hail Mary attempt to rid himself of the highly respected judge in the federal case into his efforts to overturn his defeat in the 2020 election. Trump is seeking the recusal of the judge there. I'll read you from the New York Times reporting on this, Maya. Lawyers for former President Trump on Monday asked a federal judge overseeing his looming trial on charges of trying to overturn the 2020 election to recuse herself, claiming that she has shown a bias against Trump in public statements made from the bench in other cases. This is, and there may be a legal piece of this that I'm missing, but since everyone assures me that Trump is simply feuding in the public relations space, he's throwing all in with the violent insurrectionists, it would appear.
Yeah, I mean, look, you know, what's so obvious about this from what little I have read and based on the statements I think this judge did make, which said nothing about Donald Trump, by the way, or whether or not he should be imprisoned or convicted of anything, is simply a continuation of a delay, deny, distract set of tactics. Not unlawful. He has every right, if the legal team thinks that a judge is biased, for anybody before a judge to say, hey, it won't be fair. But this judge, based on the statements I've seen, did not say anything biased against Donald Trump. You know, and frankly, I think going back to something that Eddie said earlier, in terms of the importance of our institutions, our democratic institutions, that includes the bench and our federal judges, is that they are obligated to recuse themselves if they're biased. But in this case, there's no bias, and it just becomes another way of undermining any notion that our system is independent and can behave independently and without partisan politics in mind. The person doing the harm here is Donald Trump.